Hi, my name is Mary Hill, and I'm thrilled to show you my fantastic new listing at 12148 Louise Avenue in Granada Hills. I encourage you to watch to the end because you do not want to miss the view. At over 3,000 square feet, this 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home is an entertainer's dream. The great room features soaring vaulted ceilings, a dramatic fireplace, and designated areas for dining and relaxation. The eat-in kitchen boasts a center island, walk-in pantry, and bay window with beautiful views to the backyard and beyond. The spacious primary bedroom is light and airy with a large walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and French doors. And now for what I think makes this home extraordinary, the backyard, and more specifically, the view. Thanks for taking a tour of this one-of-a-kind property. Please reach out if you'd like more information or to take a look in person.